Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple stops on Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, then in the search bar just put in a destination you want to visit maybe, then click on directions, and it will bring up your location originally, but you can change that to somewhere else if you want. So if you put in Manchester, you should see 3 dots on the top right hand side that you can click on. And you should see edit stops, so you want to click on that. You should see another option to choose another destination. And you should see 2 little lines on the right hand side. This will just allow you to click on it, then move it either to the top, middle or bottom, wherever you want to do that. And you can just search in where you want to go there. Press search. So that'll give you 3 destinations. You can obviously add more destinations if you wish to do that as well. And you can also switch around the route that you want to take as well. So that's how you can add multiple stops on Google Maps. Thanks for watching.